Imagine this. It's 2:17 a.m. You wake up for no reason. Your room is silent, but something feels wrong. In the center of the air above your floor, there's a small, perfectly dark sphere. Not a shadow, not a reflection, a distortion. The light around it bends, and you realize it's not absorbing the light. It's bending space itself. And then your phone slides toward it. Black holes are supposed to exist billions of light years away. They belong in the centers of galaxies, in deep space, not in your bedroom. But what if one appeared here, right now? Would it instantly destroy Earth? Would you even feel it? Or would something far stranger happen first? Tonight, we're going to explore scientifically and realistically what would actually happen if a black hole appeared in your room. And the answer is more terrifying than fiction. First, let's correct a myth. A black hole isn't a hole. It's not a tunnel sucking things in like a vacuum cleaner. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity becomes so extreme that nothing, not even light, can escape. Most form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. At the center of our galaxy sits Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole 1,000,000 times the mass of the Sun. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about something much smaller. Because if a supermassive black hole appeared in your room, you wouldn't have time to blink. The Earth would be gone before your brain processed it. So let's explore more realistic, but still catastrophic scenarios. Let's say a tiny black hole forms, smaller than an atom. This is theoretically possible through quantum fluctuations, though we've never observed one directly. Here's the twist: it wouldn't last. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes slowly evaporate through what we now call Hawking radiation. A microscopic black hole would vanish in a burst of energy in less than a trillionth of a second. You would never see it, never hear it. Maybe, just maybe, a faint pulse of radiation would pass through the room, and then it would be gone. Reality continues. You go back to sleep. But now let's increase the mass, just a little. Now imagine a black hole with the mass of Mount Everest, but compressed into something the size of a marble. This is where things become dangerous. Contrary to popular belief, it wouldn't suck the entire planet instantly. Gravity decreases with distance. If you stood a few meters away, you wouldn't immediately fly into it, but everything nearby would begin accelerating toward it. Your desk slides, your chair tips, the air itself begins spiraling inward, and then tidal forces begin. Your feet feel a stronger pull than your head. Your spine stretches. This process has a name: spaghettification, not because it's dramatic, but because it's accurate. Your body would elongate into a thin stream of atoms before crossing the event horizon. From an outside observer's perspective, you would appear to slow down, freeze, fade. But from your perspective, you fall normally, until physics itself becomes unfamiliar. Now we stop playing small. If a black hole with Earth's mass appeared in your room, Earth wouldn't explode, it would collapse inward. The planet would begin falling toward that single point. Tectonic plates fracture, oceans tilt and surge, atmosphere spirals inward like water down a cosmic drain. Within minutes, Earth becomes a glowing stream of matter feeding a singularity the size of a coin. But here's the most disturbing part. A black hole with Earth's mass would have the same gravitational pull as Earth, at a distance. Meaning, if Earth were magically replaced by a black hole of equal mass, the Moon would continue orbiting normally. The solar system wouldn't notice, except there would be no planet left. Just darkness. Now we reach the edge, the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing returns. From outside, time appears frozen. From inside, time continues forward. But space becomes vertical. There is no turning around, no stopping. Every possible path leads inward. At the center lies the singularity, a point where density becomes infinite, where general relativity breaks, where quantum mechanics refuses to cooperate. Our equations fail, and when physics fails, imagination begins. Some theories suggest the singularity may not be an end, but a bridge, a wormhole, a doorway into another region of space-time, or perhaps the birth of a new universe. If so, every black hole could be a cosmic seed, and every universe might be born inside another. Now consider something unsettling. If black holes can create universes, what if our universe began inside one? What if the Big Bang was not a beginning, but an exit? And what if the black hole that created us exists in a universe we can never see? If that's true, then somewhere, in some higher cosmos, our entire observable universe might look no larger than a marble, floating in someone else's room. So what would happen if a black hole appeared in your room? Most likely, nothing, because the universe doesn't create black holes in bedrooms. But if it did, it wouldn't just destroy your house, it would expose the fragility of reality itself. And maybe, just maybe, it would reveal that we've been standing on the edge of an event horizon this entire time.